Um, Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we are going to try and log in Talkatone. Currently, I'm opening the Talkatone without VPN for them to log me out. Which I believe they should log me out if I'm logging in without a VPN. I'm just waiting for them to take the action for them to log me out. So I think I should be logged out by now. And yeah, I'm logged out. So now I'm going to open my VPN, and this video I'm doing it for you guys, some of you that are able to log in and you get logged out. This video is for you. This is what you should do that will get you logged in immediately back, as currently now we all know Talkatone is having the security are getting better, though we still have our way in. So what you do is you open the once they log you out, don't clear cache as we used to do before. That method will not work again. Don't clear your cache or clear all data anymore. So you open the app. If you open here, you come to sign up. Remember, we are logging in, but you are going to use the sign up button. So after the sign up, you tap on it, agreed. So once you are here, you tap the sign up with Google option. Still, remember, we are logging in. We are not signing up. We are logging in. So after that, let's tap on it and see error. Let's now try tapping. Now we write let's just go back again. Mind you, we try it again. Agree and tap on it. Let's wait and see. So you try it again. See, we are using the sign up option, not the sign in button. Nam, Nam. So let's try and change IPNC. United States. Let's connect back and do same thing. Sign up, agreed, and you can see, boom, I'm in. So this is the method for you guys to log in to log in your account successful. With this method, you'll be able to log in once you are logged out with ease. As you can see, it's easy as this. Remember, don't clear your cache. If you clear your cache, it will automatically clear everything. Don't clear your cache, and also don't do clear all data as we used to do before. That method is no longer working again. So that's it.